G'day viewers, so I'm going to solder some wires under this SCR. I'm going to get up to my capacitor bank. So to put the gate wire on there, and hopefully we can solder to this. Got to find some way of mounting this thing. Let's fire up the soldering iron. Yeah, viewers, I'm going to have to find out how I'm going to make some sort of clamp. Maybe 2 bits of wood. Clamp it in between 2 bits of wood. And have there's bits of wire here. These lugs will clamp those to it. Between 2 bits of wood in this SCR. I reckon that'll work. Okay, viewers, cap bank time. Now these capacitors are actually non-polarized, so it doesn't matter from which way I charge them. I just found out, so it's a beauty about non-polarized caps, you can't actually hook them up backwards mistakenly and pop them. So up to 385 volts, so I can't put them on this bank, because that full charge of that, the full charge of that would exceed the maximum voltage of this one. So it's going to have to be a separate bank. Let's see what the ESR meter reads. And this does have an in-circuit function, so it will compensate for those resistors. Right, let's see what it reads. Let's connect it. .1 ohms. 3850 microfarad. There you go. Yeah, one of those capacitors is a bit low, so let's get this thing exercising. Okay, viewers, let's hook up power. Alright, get my little solder line out of the way here. Let's connect the power, monitor the voltage here. Alright. .75 volts and it's quick to discharging. Not bad. .9 volts. 30 volts in there. .210 volts. There we go. That's discharged. Unplug safety first. Oops, my power board there. Be careful, I'll break that. 1.2 volts in the bank. This is the only chicken stick I've got, so I have to use this one. It is discharged. Let's fill for heat. It's still stone cold. Alright, I'm going to quickly borrow this chicken stick and get it off this capacitor bank, so I don't have the wires hanging around everywhere. Alright. Well, let's keep exercising these capacitors. They feel quite cool, so they're all cool to the touch. They haven't got warm. Oops, hit the camera there. Discharge that, unplug safety first. It's got 2.9 volts in the bank, so let that fill for temperature. They're still staying cold. Right, let's disconnect that. I've got 3.5 volts in that bank. Those resistors are discharging and bleeding this bank down. Alright, turn the multimeter off and let's ESR test this thing now. The whole lot are still at room temperature, so if they were getting hot I'd be a bit worried there, because these aren't vented. When they're not vented, these are going to make one hell of a bang. Alright, let's get the ESR meter out. Before I do that, I'll discharge it. So the ESR meter does have a discharge function, but if it's too high I risk popping the bloody thing, or it won't test. So I'll turn that on. the whole lot we want to measure. Yeah, ESR's gone down. It was 0.1, now it's 0.06, and the capacitance has improved. There we are. 4060 microfarad, 0.06 ohms. Keep exercising these, it's good for the capacitors. There you go, so these are actually, capacitors are actually improving. Give them some exercise and they'll come good. Alright, that'll be enough for now. Thanks for watching.